Alright, so first we're going to start by popping this cover off. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver. Might take a couple tries. There we go. Alright, once you get that clip out, you're going to locate the reverse light. You're going to twist it counterclockwise. And you're just going to pop that right out. You're going to grab your Alla Lighting's 921 CSP 9W, which is going to be right here. Just going to fit it right in there. And pop that into place. Just goes right in. Put that there, put the clip in, and you're done. Alright, so now on the other side, we're just going to pop this out. Should come right out. Alright, now that you have this cover undone, you're just going to turn this counterclockwise. It's a little tight fit in there, so pull that out. Grab your other LED bulb, slide it right in here. Should fit right in, no problems.